Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for May. On top we have a card that says good food, good mood. And then some information about their website. You can review the snacks and earn points, and then you could spend them to buy more snacks, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look at what I got. You Love Fruit Super Berry. This is like little circles on a piece of paper. It's like fruit leather. Got those before, but not in this flavor, but those are really good. Also have Wholesome Organic Delish Fish. I've got the gummy teddy bear ones, and they were cinnamon, and they were really good. A little bit too strong for the kids, but I liked them. This is new for me. Maddie K's Roasted Almonds with Sea Salt. That sounds good. Currently collecting snacks to bring on vacation, so a lot of these are going to go with us so we have little snacks on the go. Here are some dark chocolate cream filled wafers. Those are really good. Also have turkey jerky, and that's a rosemary flavor. I like rosemary, and I'm pretty sure I've had that before and I liked it. Can't really go wrong with rosemary. Next up we have Simply Wholesome Cinnamon Crispy Bites. There's 8 grams of whole grains, all natural flavors, and no preservatives. Yum. Then we have Pretzel Pete's Mini Twist. These are salted caramel seasoned pretzels, which is interesting. 100-calorie pack. Then we have Bean and Veggie. These are whole wheat crispy crackers. Let's see. Yeah, they're made out of beans and carrots and celery. Very cool. Even applesauce is in there. Huh. Awesome. See if the kids will eat those. Then we have some unsalted trail mix. Has peanuts, raisins, walnuts, almonds, and seeds. And the last snack are Thinsters. These are chocolate chip thin cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Those are good. Then we also have some kind of advertisement, maybe? Let's see. Yeah, here's a advertisement and a coupon code for $10 off. Interesting. So, we actually got a lot of little snacks this month. It was pretty packed. Like I said, pretty much, I think, going to take all these on our trip with us, so I will be enjoying these with the kids. So if you guys are interested, this is a pretty cheap subscription, so I will put all that information below in case you want to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!